to your central travelling position then, a little bit further forward then, Dan. Alright, you can go further forward yet. A little bit further if you can. Somewhere about there, perfect. Alright, so we're just going to attach the rear Quattro restraints. So these are self-tightening. So they just slide into the fitting points on the floor and they come forward and attach onto the rear wheelchair restraint points. Repeat the same on the other side as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, making that all good. So we've got the self-tightening reels here. So all we're going to do is just nip them up.
Yep.
And then when we bring the ramp assembly up and close it, you'll see the rear restraint points come backwards and tighten up Dan's wheelchair restraint system.
Great.
Making him nice, safe and secure.
Great, thank you.